Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and creating a new project with your video clip. Import only the takes you'll caption to stay focused. Play through once and trim obvious dead time so captions align with speech. Once done, use headphones and bump volume to hear every syllable. This prevents mishearing and saves editing time. Make sure audio peaks aren't clipping, because accurate captions depend on clear dialogue. Now you're ready to add text layers efficiently. You can speed things up by using Capcut's auto captions. Tap auto captions, choose language, and let it transcribe. If you prefer control, add text layers and type lines while pausing playback. Either way, drag caption edges to sync start and end times to the exact words spoken. Once synced, pick a readable font size and contrast. Bold or semi-bold with a subtle background block improves clarity. Also, consider line breaks at natural pauses so viewers can read comfortably. You finish by proofreading every caption for accuracy and punctuation. Don't trust auto-generated text blindly. Next, choose whether to export with burned-in captions or export an SRT if your platform supports it, then export at your target resolution. If captions drift or miss words, retranscribe that segment or delete the auto caption and type it manually. This is faster than redoing the whole file. One key tip: if speech is noisy, run a quick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.